What if I told you you're solving problems the wrong way? And the right way was asking one question 5 times. I want to teach you one of the most important frameworks I've ever learned for troubleshooting. My name is Kasim. I've built 6 million and multi-million-dollar businesses. I've had 2 successful exits, 1 for 8 figures. I've generated a $10,000,000 net worth, and my goal in life is to help you achieve 3x freedom. It's financial freedom, freedom of dimension, and freedom of purpose. And today, I want to talk to you about the 5 whys. The 5 whys is a framework developed by the father of lean manufacturing, and all it is asking yourself why 5 times to dive deeper into what's really going on. So I'll give you an example to kind of illustrate the power and potency of this. Imagine you go into a meeting with your executive staff. It's at the end of the quarter. You're looking at your quarterly reports, and somebody, the financier, your CFO comes in and says, sales are down. We're 20% short of our goal for this quarter. Your question is, well, why? And the answer is, well, product A didn't sell nearly as much as we needed product A to sell. And we had projected, this massive lift, and we weren't selling as many of these things as we needed and wanted to. And so now all of our sales are down. Here's what's interesting. Most people stop their inquiry there and they move straight into prescription and diagnosis, right? So like now your whole team is worried about like, how do we sell more product A? What marketing push can we do? What bundle can we offer? What OTO, what upsell, what coupon, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Or you say, well, why? Why didn't product A sell as much as it should have? And then if you were to dig into it, maybe you find out that product A is generally speaking bought with product B. So maybe product A is candle wax and product B are wicks, or product A is soap dispensers and product B is soap, et cetera, et cetera. It's one of those coupling products that has a catalyst or a partner or a pairing. You find out product B is sold out. So now profitability is down. Why? Product A didn't sell as much. Why? Because product A is normally coupled with product B and product B is sold out. Why? Because our projections are based off of last year's data, and last year we didn't sell nearly as much as product B. Well, why? If last year product A sold more, why didn't product B sell more if those two are paired? Because last year we had a product C that also paired with product A and we got rid of it. Why? Because, do you see where I'm going with this? And it's not 5, by the way. It can be 5, it can be 50. But if you continue to ask why and go down the line, you broaden your scope of understanding and put yourself in a position of solving root problems. And this is where we want to go as business owners. You want to solve root problems. Because if you just solve surface level problems, you're never actually going to get to what's wrong. And the way to get to root problems is to keep asking why. And so and here's the thing that's really interesting too, is it's really frustrating. Your staff is going to get pissy with you. I promise. I know because I've done it. Something happens, somebody brings it to you, and you ask the question why, and they give you an answer. And then you ask why again, and they're going to tell you, I just told you the answer. And you're going to respond, no. I want to know why the answer. So you're not asking why to the original point. You're asking why to the answer. And then the next answer comes, and you're going to repeat that process over and over and over and over again until you train your team. We're looking for the deeper why. Why is this true? Advertising's down. Well, why is advertising down? Impression share is down. Why is impression share down? Because number of searches are down. Why is number of searches down? Because a new competitor entered the market and introduced new nomenclature, and we need to start bidding on this other phrase. Right? You need to continue to ask why. Ask why until you exhaust yourself. Ask why until you get to a point to where you realize like, okay, I'm actually at the kernel, the root, the honest foundation of this particular problem, and then you can lift yourself out of it. But never stop asking why while there's still answers coming to you. That's the 5 whys in lean manufacturing. I hope that's helpful. I'll see you in the next one.